Analyzing, interpreting, and comparing information from various media sources is essential in today's information-rich environment, where messages bombard us from books, newspapers, magazines, television, radio, billboards, advertisements, and the internet. Each medium presents information in its unique format, catering to different audiences and purposes. Books offer in-depth exploration and analysis of topics, providing comprehensive information on a particular subject. When analyzing information from books, it's crucial to assess the author's credibility, the publication date, and the evidence and sources cited. Comparing information across different books on the same topic can provide diverse perspectives and insights. Newspapers deliver current events and news stories, typically focusing on local, national, and international events. When interpreting newspaper articles, consider the publication's bias, the reliability of sources, and the context in which the story is presented. Comparing coverage of the same event across multiple newspapers can reveal different angles and biases. Magazines cover a wide range of topics, from fashion and lifestyle to politics and science. When analyzing magazine articles, pay attention to the target audience, the author's tone, and the potential for sensationalism. Comparing information from different magazines can highlight varying opinions and viewpoints on a subject. Television and radio provide visual and auditory information, often delivering news, entertainment, and educational content. When interpreting TV and radio broadcasts, consider the medium's bias, the expertise of the presenters or journalists, and the production values. Comparing coverage of the same story across different channels or stations can reveal disparities in reporting and emphasis. Billboards are visual advertisements displayed in public spaces, conveying messages through images and concise text. When analyzing billboard advertisements, consider the target audience, the effectiveness of the imagery and messaging, and the intended impact. Comparing different billboards on the same product or service can highlight variations in advertising strategies and branding. Advertisements appear in various forms, including print media, online platforms, and social media. When interpreting advertisements, assess the persuasive techniques used, such as emotional appeals, celebrity endorsements, and statistical claims. Comparing advertisements for similar products or services can reveal trends in marketing and consumer preferences. The internet offers a vast array of information through websites, blogs, forums, and social media platforms. When analyzing online content, evaluate the credibility of the source, the accuracy of the information, and the potential for misinformation or bias. Comparing information from different websites or sources can help verify facts and identify diverse perspectives. In summary, analyzing, interpreting, and comparing information from various media sources require critical thinking skills and a discerning eye. By considering the credibility, bias, and context of each medium, you can navigate the sea of information effectively and make informed decisions based on a well-rounded understanding of the topic at hand. This has been a production of D&J Designs and MathMan 1962.